only planet where life exists. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Sunlight and solar heat help maintain life on Earth. All human beings, animal and plant survive it due to the availability of light, heat, food and water. There are some things are being who need energy from the sun to grow. For example, animal plant and bird.